Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best attorneys is probably one of the most crucial decisions you'll make when facing legal challenges, impacting everything from your freedom to your financial well-being. Navigating the complex legal landscape requires not just knowledge, but also a trusted advocate who can expertly guide you through every step, ensuring your rights are protected and your voice is heard. Choosing the right legal representation can be the difference between a favorable outcome and a devastating loss, making this selection paramount in any legal situation. Number 5. Adams Durable Power of Attorney Forms and Instructions, LF 205. This kit provides everything you need to appoint someone to handle your finances if you are absent or incapacitated. It's designed to be used without lawyers or legalese. These easy-to-use forms help you grant authority to another person to manage your finances. You can specify the powers they have and set limits on what they can do. Download your fiable legal form pages as PDF files with complete step-by-step instructions. It also includes a free downloadable revocation of power of attorney form. This durable power of attorney is simple and easy to understand. It has been reviewed and approved by attorneys to save you time and money. This legal forms pack is intended for use in the USA and is drafted for typical use in all states. State-specific forms for Florida, New York, and Pennsylvania are included. What we like. This option is perfect for those who want to avoid expensive legal fees. It's designed for simplicity and ease of use, even without legal expertise. If you're looking for a straightforward way to manage your finances in case of absence or incapacitation, this is a great choice. What people say. The Attorneys is a comprehensive legal practice management software that offers a wide range of features to streamline workflows and improve efficiency. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it easy for legal professionals to navigate and utilize its functionalities. The software provides robust case management tools, including document management, calendaring, and task tracking, which are essential for organizing and managing legal cases effectively. Number 4. USA Legal Forms Family Law Legal Planning Kit. Ensure your family's future is secure with this comprehensive legal planning kit. It covers essential documents for peace of mind. This kit provides 2 blank USA legal forms for each critical area: wills, healthcare directives, and powers of attorney. It's everything you need to document your wishes. Each form comes with a quick reference guide to help you complete them accurately. Additionally, 2 laminated reference guides offer further insights into family law and estate planning. Make your intentions clear and concise for your will, end-of-life healthcare desires, and financial affairs. Assign a power of attorney to manage your affairs if you become incapacitated. These legal forms are valid in all states, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution. Save time and legal fees by clearly outlining your intentions. Take control of your family's legal planning. This kit provides the essential tools to protect your assets and ensure your wishes are honored. What we like. This kit is ideal for comprehensive family legal planning. It bundles essential documents like wills, healthcare directives, and powers of attorney, along with helpful reference guides. If you want to ensure all your important affairs are clearly documented and want to save on legal consultations, this all-in-one solution is for you. What people say. The Attorneys is a comprehensive legal practice management software that streamlines case handling, document management, and client communication. Its intuitive interface and robust features, including time tracking, billing, and reporting, make it an invaluable tool for law firms of all sizes. The software's ability to integrate with other essential legal tools and its secure cloud-based storage ensure data integrity and accessibility. Number 3. MyAttorney Home and Business Legal Forms. Introducing MyAttorney Home and Business, your comprehensive solution for over 1,300 legal contracts and forms. Simplify your legal needs with our easy-to-use platform. Manage your business legal affairs with unparalleled ease. Our tools are designed to help you navigate complex situations smoothly and efficiently. Protect your loved ones with our superior estate planning tools. Ensure their future is secure with expertly crafted legal documents. Take control of life-changing events effectively. We provide the resources you need to handle significant personal and professional milestones with confidence. Receive dependable legal help from expert and credible sources. Our team is dedicated to providing you with reliable guidance and support. What we like. This product offers an extensive collection of over 1,300 legal forms for both home and business needs. It's designed to help you handle legal affairs with ease and protect your loved ones through estate planning. If you frequently deal with legal documents or need a wide variety of contracts and forms at your fingertips, this is a powerful tool. What people say. MyAttorney is a comprehensive legal practice management software that streamlines case handling, document management, and client communication. Its intuitive interface and robust features, including time tracking, billing, and reporting, make it an efficient tool for law firms of all sizes. The software offers seamless integration with other essential legal tools, enhancing workflow and productivity. Number 2. Golden Older Phoenix Wright, First Edition Ace Attorney Pin. Introducing the Golden Older Phoenix Wright First Edition Ace Attorney Collectible Pin. This is a must-have for any fan of the series. Relive your favorite moments with this beautifully crafted pin. It features the legendary Phoenix Wright in a distinguished design. As a first edition release, this collectible holds special value. Don't miss the chance to add this rare piece to your collection. Made with high-quality materials, this pin is built to last. Its detailed design showcases the craftsmanship of this unique item. Showcase your passion for Ace Attorney by displaying it proudly. It also makes an unforgettable gift for fellow enthusiasts. This exclusive collectible is available in limited quantities. Secure yours today before it's gone forever. What we like. This is a unique collectible for fans of the Ace Attorney series. It's a special first edition pin that celebrates the iconic characters. If you're a collector or a dedicated fan looking for exclusive merchandise, this item is a must-have. What people say. MyAttorney is a comprehensive legal practice management software that streamlines case handling, document management, and client communication. Its intuitive interface and robust features, including time tracking, billing, and calendaring, make it an efficient tool for law firms of all sizes. The software offers secure cloud-based storage, ensuring data accessibility and protection for sensitive client information. Number 1. Phoenix Wright Ace Attorney Trilogy, Import. Step into the courtroom with the legendary Phoenix Wright Ace Attorney Trilogy. Experience the gripping stories and unforgettable characters that made this series a classic. This imported collection brings together the first 3 critically acclaimed titles. Relive the iconic moments and challenging investigations that defined a generation of gaming. We ensure a quality product for your enjoyment. This package contains 1 item, carefully prepared for your gaming pleasure. Weighing just 0.068 kilograms, it's easy to take your legal battles anywhere. Immerse yourself in the drama without the bulk. Get ready to cross-examine witnesses, uncover contradictions, and fight for justice. Your adventure in the world of Ace Attorney begins now. What we like. This is an imported version of the beloved Ace Attorney games, covering the first 3 titles. It's noted for being a quality product for fans of the series. If you're looking to experience the classic courtroom adventures or complete your collection with an imported edition, this is a fantastic option. What people say. MyAttorney is a well-designed and functional legal practice management software. Its features streamline case management, document generation, and client communication effectively. The user interface is intuitive, making it easy for legal professionals to navigate and utilize its capabilities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.